Our epic journey embarks upon the turbulent waters of the recent YouTube crackdown on ad blocker users. With stern warnings in place, YouTube challenges the very essence of ad blocker enthusiasts. It may feel like a daunting era for those who seek to avoid ads, but this story offers much more than meets the eye. The pop-up that appears when using ad blockers insists that ads allow YouTube to be used by billions of worldwide. While the YouTube crackdown might appear as a direct assault on personal freedom, it's an opportunity to engage in a profound and expansive conversation. Are ads truly an insufferable intrusion, or does this narrative contain a hidden facet that could reshape your perspective on ads? Believe it or not, YouTube ads have more to offer than meets the eye. They empower content creators, enabling them to bring forth the content you hold dear. Moreover, these ads can introduce you to novel products and services, enriching your life in unexpected and delightful ways. Our journey wouldn't be complete without delving into the shadows of ads. Ads, as we know, can be incredibly disruptive, particularly when you're enjoying YouTube videos with friends or family. Just as you're about to lose yourself in a hilarious cat video, an ad strikes, breaking the laughter and drawing collective groans from your companions. It's not just about the annoyance, it's about how ads can disrupt our shared moments of entertainment. Do not despair. There are responsible ways to enjoy YouTube without resorting to ad blockers that contravene YouTube's policies. Now let's explore legitimate tips and well-known methods to enhance your YouTube experience, respecting both YouTube and the creators who make it all possible. Let's begin with YouTube Premium. This is one of the most straightforward solutions. YouTube Premium not only banishes ads, but also offers additional perks, such as offline downloads and background playback. However, I acknowledge that it might not be within everyone's budget. I'm not against people using ad blockers. People are increasingly using ad blockers for several reasons. First and foremost, online advertising has become more intrusive, with pop-up ads, auto-playing videos, and irrelevant banners that disrupt the user experience. Advertisements often slow down web page loading times, consume data, and compromise privacy, leading users to seek a more streamlined and secure browsing experience. There are many ways. But wait, the story is far from its conclusion. I wholeheartedly invite you to actively participate in this ongoing dialogue. Share your thoughts, creative ideas, and constructive suggestions in the comments section below to let YouTube know you want. Let your fellow viewers in on your strategies for enhancing your YouTube experience. As I conclude our odyssey, I look toward the future of YouTube ads. The platform is in constant flux, and we may witness new and exciting changes in the realm of advertising. Will ads continue to be an integral part of the YouTube experience, or could innovative alternatives be on the horizon, reshaping the digital landscape? By understanding this, we can create a healthier and more enjoyable YouTube experience for all participants. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for even more exciting content. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you're the first to catch my newest videos. Feel free to share this with your friends and family if you think they'd benefit or have fun watching.